What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to Financial Success. And in today's video we're going to be looking at AI, how they can build your videos, how they can put in a great text to speech, and how they can pretty much make videos for you. All you have to do is literally make a script, copy and paste it into the system, and you are good to go. Now please forgive me, as it is currently raining very heavily outside, so I apologize if it is picked up in my microphone due to my location, which is right outside where the rain is. So other than that, let's get into it. So the program I will be talking about today is called Pictori. So Pictori pretty much makes and builds videos for you, and all you are required to do is pretty much do a script. So let's move me down, and this is pretty much what Pictori is, and you can sign up for a free trial. I will leave a link below for it, so just enter in the relevant information such as a password, email, all normal stuff. So what is Pictori? Awesome videos from text fast. So Pictori is a powerful AI which enables you to create and edit professional quality videos using text. No technical skills are required or any softwares to download. So what Pictori does is, because I've used it before, is it takes stock footage from Pixels, Pixabay, and Storyblocks, and among other things as well, and it can transform your videos into a script as well as have images. And as you can see, there's a bunch of testimonies here. So as we can see, if we click on David, he is a YouTuber, tried once to use Camtasia, and with Pictori he's now doing 10 videos per week. And you can have a look at the testimonials. I will also provide a link for this in the description. And here are just some of the things that Pictori can do for you. Turn scripts into jaw-dropping videos in just minutes. No need to buy expensive equipment or appear on camera. Simply paste your script into our advanced AI searches. Pictori is a vast library of over 3 million royalty-free video clips, images, and music to automatically create the perfect video for you. Add your own voiceover or choose one of our incredibly lifelike AI voices. Watch out for Steven Spielberg. So if you want to, you can use your own voice if you want to. However, they have amazing AI voices that do sound very similar to real life. And if you don't want music or you want to change the music, that's also optional, as well as the images along with the background. If it's not exactly perfect, then it's changeable. So other than that, transform blog posts into engaging videos on autopilot. So just copy and paste the script. Repurpose content. So repurpose content, unlock the hidden gold buried within your existing long form content. Create fresh content that can be challenged, but not with Pictori. Like magic, hour-long webinars, podcasts, and Zoom recordings become easy to watch 3-minute bite-sized snippets with complete captions. So when you make a video with Pictori, captions come up. So if you have someone watch your video, and let's say for example they are hearing impaired, they can read it in SOZ language. And captions are automatically generated. A staggering 85% of social media videos are actually muted. So that's an interesting fact. So start for free, no credit card required at all. And here are the few options. So you have text to video, auto video highlights, edit video using text, add captions to videos. And as you can see, some people have gone 1 million views, so huge shout out to the Pictori team. One of my videos made by Pictori just crossed 1 million views and averaging 200,000 views each and every single day by Mushtaq Maruf. And as you can see, it's trusted by other companies, and as you can see, more testimonials here. And as you can see, if you zoom into the photo, so for you guys I will zoom in. So here's the actual testimonial from Mushtaq Maruf, which is a 1 million video, and as you can see, slowly climbing up, then a massive boom here. And as you can see, they are making money using this system. And as you can see, countless more videos and testimonials are available for you, and in partnership with, like I said, Storyblocks, Hootsuite, Google, Amazon, Pixels, Melody, Customer Love Surge First, and Partner 2022. And as for pricing, eventually after your trial runs out, these offer pricing starts fully transparent, so you have a monthly and a yearly option. If you choose for yearly, you can save up to 33%, but if you want to do monthly, you have a standard, a premium, and a enterprise, which you have to email them and get a quote. So the free trial offers number of videos, free, length of videos, 10 minutes, and a Pictori library, and a standard doesn't give you so much. And the standard subscription gives you a whole bunch of features, and the premium subscription gives you added branded intro and outro, a scene transition style, and also gives you the ability, if you make your own music, you can upload your own tracks, trim video clips, and you can upload voiceover and auto sync in the entire video on the premium and enterprise version. But of course, if you get a free trial, you can get all these features, so I recommend that you check out the free trial first. And on the premium version, you can get a portrait, so you can do YouTube shorts or Instagram videos or anything like that. When you got Square, you got bulk download short videos in a CSV format. Also, you've got integration with Hootsuite, and you've got email support, priority support, of course. And on the premium version, you've not got a dedicated manager if you need one. However, that would be available to you on the enterprise version. So standard version is $29 US dollars per month. Premium is $59. Custom enterprise, you have to email them yourself. But if you want to save 33% on the yearly subscription, it's $19 every month for the standard and $39 a month for the premium feature. Now, if you actually want to check out a video that I actually did with Pictori, I will leave a link to it up here, and you can go and check it out, see what it does. And of course, if you want a more in-depth video about Pictori, then definitely leave a comment below saying that you want a in-depth video of how to use Pictori. This was just a brief rundown, and I hope you like the video. Remember to like if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already as well. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you for checking this out, and if you want to get Pictori the AI, you can check it out, link below, and that's greatly appreciated.